my sword. Give me my sword. I want to play with my sword. Hey, my sword. Bless you.
Leave me alone.
Whoa. These are good this year.
Yeah.
They're better than last year, remember?
You were with us last year.
They were better from where I was sitting.
Yeah, you ran into me last year.
Yeah, the fireworks from where we were sitting were terrible. I love those ones, the glittery ones. Woohoo! Which ones are your favorite?
The ones that make the biggest sound.
Oh, those ones are fun. Bless you. Are you okay?
I'm getting over a cold. It's okay.
If you want something to drink, I have my tea right there.
Alright. That's how colds spread anyway.
Eh.
There's no way in hell I'm going to get this.
It's hotter than all hell out here. Ooh, I love those ones that look like UFOs. Glitter!
Okay, those are my favorite.
The glittery ones?
Yep.
Woo! Whoa.
Those are creepy.
Those ones? Ugh, the small ones. Those ones are duds. I hate those ones. I'm not sure, which ones are your favorite ones?
I don't know. The ones that they split out and then they have come out from each other.
Like those?
No.
Whoa.
Dude, someone's pointing a laser and then
I like that one.
there's a green line that's pointing to where the fireworks.
Oh, that's cool. Wonder if I can catch it. I see it. Ooh, the glitter. You know what just came to my head? The best proposal idea would be the fireworks blow your name. Oh, that would be the best thing
Guess
ever.
we would have to decide that you want to get married before.
Whoa! I wish. Oh, God.
The happy face! The sideways happy face. Did you see it?
Yeah. Don't you see me smiling right now?
No, the firework happy face.
I know. Oh, I love those ones. The ones that look like the streamers going down. Okay, those ones sucked. Oh, I hope this one's good. for the heart. They always do a heart every year. Happy 4th of July! Even though you probably can't even see my freaking face.
Does your mother go to the fireworks?
I don't think she's going this year. I think she's over at her friend's house. This ends part 1.